Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and makeup. So in today's video, I will be doing like what I got for my birthday haul, and few days back I posted my birthday vlog and get ready with me for my birthday. It's like a small birthday series that I didn't planned on, but yes, that happened. And like I absolutely love creating those videos, and like please watch those videos if you like those videos. Give a like, comment and share, like subscribe to my channel if you like the video. We'll start with the video. Like it's not that much, but yes, whatever I got, I wanted to share it with you guys. As you all know, I want to share everything with you guys, and I just wanted to put it out there that I am not bragging in any way. Like it's just like I got something for my birthday and I wanted to share it with everyone. So yes, let's get started. So we'll start with like what my in-laws got for me, and like I will, if I find the links to everything, I will add everything in the description box, so don't forget to check out the description box. So first is this tripod, vlog tripod I got from them. Like it's like so amazing, so sturdy, such a good quality, and like this was so thoughtful and I loved it because like I didn't had a tripod for vlogging, and I was thinking, and I was like talking like I don't have a vlog camera, so sorry, vlog tripod, so should I do vlogs or not? And like they thought about it and they gifted me this. Like that was like so special for me that I loved it. Like it's of such a good quality. I shot my birthday vlog using this tripod only, so do check out the video and let me know how you like the vlog as well. Second gift that I got from them is this beautiful makeup bag. Let me open and show it to you guys. Like you all know that I am so much into makeup, so this again, everything they bought for me, and especially it's in pink and color. Like I love pink color, so yes. And like this is such a beautiful bag, guys. Let me like go back a little bit and show it to you guys. So spacious, and like it has a hanger kind of thing also. Like if you are traveling and if you are going, like right now we are not going anywhere, but still, like even if I am preparing for like getting ready for my videos, for my YouTube videos, I just can hang it and like start doing my makeup. I just don't have to put it somewhere else and all. So this has lots of space, like lots of compartments are there for small things. I absolutely love this one. Like here also a zip is there. So yeah, and like it's so pretty, like so spacious, guys. Like it looks so beautiful, especially the color and everything. It has a zip in front as well. Like I love things with lots of zips. Like मुझे बहुत सारे zips चाहिए होते हैं. Like I think if you saw my bag collection video, so उसमें भी like the bag I like the most was the one which had lots of pockets. So yeah, this is like, I think this will become one of my favorites. Next gift I got from them is this electric cleanser multifunctional. Like it is a massager kind of, like for face, foot and everything. As you all know that like we are not able to go out and we do need to take care of ourselves. So like this was given thinking about that. Again, such a thoughtful gift. I will add. So let me quickly show you what it got. Are the things, like this is the like thing to use the heads. Like this is for face and this is for feet, or you can use it for your body or anything. So this is little bit soft. Let me like take it out and show you. This is what the equipment looks like. This is like, it comes with a stand. Like that is the cutest thing in it. Like I put it and like this, like it's so cute. And like it has an open option, like you put the battery and turn it on and use it. So it has two heads associated with it. So one is this one. Like it's very soft. You can use it for your face, for your neck, or like sensitive areas. like you put it in like this, and like you like massage your face and everything. It's very helpful, so nice. I like used it in my facial as well. And the other head is this one, like this one. So this is like stone we use in bathrooms. So like it's not hard, so you can use it on your body as well, feet, or like little bit hard surface, like hard places, like for your feet or everything, or for your body also. I didn't felt it was hard, so I use it on my body as well. So this I absolutely loved. I love. And coming on to my mom dad, what they gifted me, they gifted me skincare. Like they asked me previously like what do you want, and I told them like you can give me skincare. And they know that I am a big McAfee's fan. Like I love their products, like especially their scrubs. So I wanted to try out other things, and they wanted to give me something. So yes, first is this McAfee's like face mask. I got face pack. Let me open and show it to you guys. Like I used it, it is so wonderful guys. Like I use the mask like which I can apply. So I use this mask, like as you can see, I guess it comes with a separator. So I used a bit, and it's absolutely amazing. It comes with this thing. Like do try it guys. Like coffee products, cocoa and all, like I love it. So next gift is like, next two gifts are that I have not opened yet. So these are the two gifts that I got. That is body polishing oil, and this is sorry, choco body lotion. So I have not opened these two, so I will open and give my mini review on Instagram, because I think 2 minute की review के लिए YouTube पे नहीं, I cannot put, or I can put it in some of my vlog or something. So let's see. I am yet to try it, but I think I will like it. I don't know. I already have that thinking in my mind, because I love their products. That I feel that they can never go wrong with their like products. This is not a sponsored video. Like they don't know, although like it would be absolutely wonderful to work with them. So yes, like I cannot wait to try these out. One more thing she gifted me, like this is the Mama Earth face wash. Like this is like their recent launch, I guess. So I wanted to try it out a lot. Again, it has vitamin C. Like I cannot like emphasize enough on adding vitamin C in your skincare regime. If you, I guess I have already, no, that video is supposed to get released after this video, so do check out that video guys. Like I have added some major things regarding skincare, so that is my next video. Do check it out. And yes, this is my in my bathroom. I will get it and show it to you guys. This is what it looks like. I am using it currently, and I use it to remove my makeup as well. Like if you press it, then the foam will come. I added a 2-step skincare routine as well using this product on my Instagram. I will add the like link for the video and like a short clip over here, so that you can see like this works wonderfully. I absolutely love it. I love Mama's products. So I am yet to, like, one or two of my friends even asked me to make a Mama Earth's product review video. So I am thinking about, like, I will make it for sure, like, but a small like for the sake of video, for just a small review that I love this product. Next is like what my friends got for me. Like I got few gifts from my friends as well. Like you guys don't know me, so I won't name them, but yeah, like I got this beautiful sari from one of my friends. Like I will post a video on get ready with me, like you traditional get ready with me, like wearing this sari, because I have never done a sari look on my channel. So I was very excited about it though, so do check it out. Like I absolutely love the sari, it's so pretty. And then the next, one of my friends sent me this Clinique moisturizer. Like, as you all know that I am a big Cliniques fan. I absolutely love their products, especially this moisture surge. So I absolutely love it. So this is what I got like for my birthday, and this is like so thoughtful because ये बहुत expensive भी है. So yeah. Another gift I got is this face massager roller kind of thing. Let me open and show it to you guys. Like, आजकल you all know that we are not able to go out for facials, and also these kind of gifts are like, these kind of things are very helpful. So this is a small face roller. So once what I do, once like I apply some moisturizer or something, so I will like use it on my face. Like, it has little bit thin pins, if you are able to see or not, I don't know. So like, it doesn't like hurt you, but it will give a fine and nice massage to your face. So I generally use it like before going to bed. So if you guys want me to make a nighttime skincare routine, so let me know, I will make one. My friends, like, she is such a sweetheart, she gifted me jewelry. So like, she knows that I am a jewelry person. I love jewelry, like earrings, neck piece, bracelets, anything, like nail accessories, like fake nails and everything. I'm so much into it. So this is the like jewelry. Let me open and show it to you guys. Like, this is such a beautiful piece. So yes, I guess I wore it in one of the videos as well. आजकल वो बहुत dainty and like delicate jewelry का fashion है ना. So like, you put it like this, and this is such a beautiful piece. I absolutely loved it. इसके साथ जो earrings हैं, that are also very like small and pretty. I will talk about what I got for myself. Less, I am that person who likes to purchase and buy a gift for herself. Like, I just love this concept. Like, why to wait for someone like else to give you gifts? Like, why can't you treat yourself? So I am a firm believer in that one. So I purchased some like good stuff for myself. First one is that Huda Beauty palette, which I used in one of my lookbooks, like in one of my makeup tutorials. So I will add the link and everything. So let me quickly show you. This is the Huda Beauty palette I bought for myself. Like, I got it on a sale. Like, this is like, look at the colors, guys. This is so amazing. Like, the pigment and everything is so beautiful for every color. Like, such a foil shade. Like, everything is so pigmented. Like, I absolutely love this palette. Next is the like I guess, like, if you have seen the get ready with me for my birthday, like in that I wore the heels, dress, extension. So all those things were like gifted to me by myself. I bought those things for myself. Like, I will show you. This is the extension. Like, the extension is of such a fine quality. I was seriously surprised. Like, I got such an amazing deal. I will add the link in description. Don't forget to check it out. It's like, it's wonderful. Like, the length is so nice. It like thickens your hair and everything. And the another thing is like this dress. Like, I will add the like pictures, like small clip or over here, so that you can check it out. So I saved the best for the last. Like, this is the best gift I have gotten. Like, I don't have words for this. This was gifted to me by my husband. Like, this was such a special gift to me. Like, those of you know me, like, let me show you. I got Kindle. Yes. It's like, those of you who know me, I am like a book lover. Like, I am crazy for reading. Like, यूट्यूब के बाद में अगर मेरा कुछ पैशन है, दैट इज रीडिंग. आई लव रीडिंग. आई हैव read so many books that I have lost count of, and like reading soothes me, calms me. Like, I think this is the best thing in the world, to read a book and get lost into it. So like he gifted me this Kindle, and like इससे best gift मेरे लिए हो ही नहीं सकता था. Like I was thinking about it, but I don't know what was stopping me from buying a Kindle. Like, I don't know. Like, but like I don't have words for this one. This is so special to me. This is like I was so happy when I got it, and like he showed it to me. It was a surprise. Like on my birthday, like sham ko he told me that yes, and I was like, oh my god, this is like a dream come true. Like, I hope you guys understand this. Like, those of you who know me, they know how much I love reading. This is my passion. Like, I can full day read books and not do anything. So yes guys, these are the gifts I got for me for my birthday, and I feel so special, so blessed to have such wonderful people in my life, though like they think so much about it, like, and like such thoughtful and wonderful gifts I got. Like, again I will say, I'm not bragging in any way. I don't want to put anyone down or something. Like, if I missed out something, if you have sent me and if I missed out something, I'm so sorry for that. And yes, thank you so much guys. Let me know what do you think about this video and this small video series. And yes, like, comment, share with your friends if you like this video. Do consider subscribing to my channel. It will mean a lot. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.